हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अर्पिता शर्मा क्लासेस। मैं हूं अर्पिता शर्मा, आपकी एजुकेटर, और आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं important newspapers and journal for your upcoming preliminary examination, and it will be targeting the history portion. आपके प्रीलिम्स के एग्जामिनेशन में जो हिस्ट्री पोर्शन है ये टॉपिक उसको टारगेट करेगा। ठीक है, तो इसीलिए इसमें आप नोट्स जो हैं वो नोट डाउन कर सकते हो। आइदर यू कैन मेक नोट्स और व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन सिंपली डाउनलोड द पीडीएफ ऑफ दिस लेक्चर which is available on our telegram channel simplifying UPSC with ease। हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल पर ना पीडीएफ अवेलेबल है इस लेक्चर का, तो वहां से आप सीधा पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड कर सकते हो। Okay, the link of the telegram channel is also given below in the description box. Make sure that you take your PDF on time. Let's get started. शुरू करते हैं आज का लेक्चर, न्यूज़पेपर्स एंड जर्नल। So we are going to cover the important journals and newspapers which were published and the year of the publishing of that journal or newspaper or the magazine, and also the founder of that newspaper or journal or magazine. This topic is specifically going to target your preliminary examination। जो आपका prelims है ना, उसमें at least 2 to 3 questions are asked from this topic. That means 4 to 6 marks आपके इस lecture से बन सकते हैं। If you follow this lecture till the very end, you will be targeting 4 to 6 marks in prelims, which is a lot because एक नंबर से कट ऑफ में नाम रह जाता है और आ भी जाता है। ठीक है, so we cannot even take risk for even one marks. Okay, let's get started. So see, all these newspapers and journaling started during the British East India Company's era। हमारे नेशन में जो ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी आए थे और उन्होंने आकर फिर यहाँ पर डोमिनेशन शुरू किया, then the British government acquired the control. During that era, all this newspaper and journal, they were on their peak. Why? For example, some newspapers were used to carry on the legacy of the British rule or to spread good things about British rule. Some newspapers were written by or published by the nationalists who were trying to motivate people and inspire people to raise their voice against the Britishers, right? So first, and also some of the newspapers were also published by those Britishers who were not happy with their own administration. Like in 1776, William Bolles, he resigned his position from the British East India Company with an intention to publish a newspaper. He also used to mention the corrupt practices that the Britishers were indulging into. Okay, then 29th Jan 1780, after 4 years, James Augustus Hickey, he was an Irish person. He was also the writer, editor and publisher of the Bengal Gazette. Okay, this was the first newspaper that was published by James Augustus Hickey in 1780. He was an Irish person. Bengal Gazette, or it was also known as Hickey's Bengal Gazette or Calcutta General Advertiser. Okay, so this newspaper was India's and even Asia's first printed newspaper. एक तरीके का साप्ताहिक English newspaper था, ये weekly English newspaper था, but it started in 1780 and after 2 years the Britishers, they ceased the publication of this newspaper, that is in 1782. Okay, 1780 में newspaper start होता है और 1782 में जो ब्रिटिशर्स है वो इसकी पब्लिकेशन को बंद कर देते हैं। ओके, नाउ बिफोर वी मूव अहेड, हियर इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। नाउ अनअकैडमी इज कमिंग अप विद अनलॉक 20। नाउ you can get 20% off on all UPSC subscription using my code ARPITA10। अब आपको अनअकैडमी प्लस पर सभी सब्सक्रिप्शन पर, सभी पर, चाहे वो प्लस की कॉम्बो सब्सक्रिप्शन हो या आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन हो, सभी पर 20% का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा। सिर्फ 10% का नहीं, 20% का, अगर आप कोड यूज करते हैं ARPITA10, ARPITA10। दिस ऑफर इज वैलिड ओनली टिल टुडे, Jan 30 से 31 तक का ही ऑफर था, तो सिर्फ आज तक ही ऑफर वैलिड, आज रात 12 बजे तक। सो मेक श्योर दैट यू टेक योर सब्सक्रिप्शन इफ यू आर प्लानिंग टू। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप दे रहे हो 12 मंथ्स का सब्सक्रिप्शन, कॉम्बो मीन्स यू विल प्रिपेयर for pre also, mains also and optional also. Okay, so the price is for 12 months 49,350. On this you will get 20% straight away discount. Okay, that means rupees 9870.4 discount मिलेगा इसका. So you will have to pay only 39,482 रुपीज। सिर्फ आपको 39,400 रुपीज पे करने पड़ेंगे, जिसमें आपको पूरे एक साल का प्री मेंस ऑप्शनल की तैयारी करवाई जाएगी along with the books that will be delivered to your house. Okay, what better than this? जहाँ पर मार्केट में you give 1 to 2.5 lakhs for your UPSC preparation, that too for just GS, that is pre and mains, and optional के you will have to take separate coaching. Here you are getting everything, all of the stages of this exam at just 39,482 rupees. Plus you will be getting expert guidance. New batches are starting from 2nd Feb. यहाँ पर आप देखोगे expert guidance आपको top educators के द्वारा मिलेगी. Plus I am also going to teach on Unacademy Plus from Feb 10th या 15th से मेरे भी लेक्चर स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं अनअकैडमी प्लस पर. तो अगर आप ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो, द लिंक्स आर गिवन बिलो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. मेक श्योर दैट यू टेक योर सब्सक्रिप्शन बिफोर 31st की मिडनाइट. ओके. ऑल्सो रिमेंबर दैट एटलीस्ट 1/3 of the founding fathers of Indian National Congress in 1885 they were journalists. यानी कि इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस के जो फाउंडिंग मेंबर्स थे 1885 में, उनमें से 1/3 जो थे ना वो जर्नलिस्ट ही थे. ओके. सो दैट वाज द यू कैन से penetration of journalism and newspapers during that time in India. Then we have Bombay Samachar, which is the oldest newspaper in Asia. This is again important pointer. यहाँ पर एशिया में जो बॉम्बे समाचार है ना, वो सबसे पुराना न्यूज़पेपर माना जाता है, because it is still in print. That is why. ओके. अभी तक ये पब्लिश होता है एंड इट स्टार्टेड इन 1822 बाय फरदूनजी मर्जबान एंड इट्स अ गुजराती न्यूज़पेपर. सी ऑल ऑफ दीज इंफॉर्मेशन आई हैव टेकन फ्रॉम स्पेक्ट्रम बुक, व्हिच इज यू कैन कंसिडर एज अ बाइबल फॉर योर हिस्ट्री पोर्शन ऑफ prelims and GS paper 1 in mains. Okay. Then we have the Bombay Times, which is India's second largest newspaper, okay, market in the world. इंडिया में इंडिया जो है वो सेकंड लार्जेस्ट न्यूज़पेपर मार्केट है और इसमें बॉम्बे टाइम्स तो काफी पुराना है, 1838 से अभी तक. टिल नाउ बॉम्बे टाइम्स इज इन पब्लिकेशन. द नेम हैज चेंज्ड. इट इज टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया नाउ. टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया कितने बच्चे पढ़ते थे, है ना, राइट? याद है स्कूल टाइम्स के दौरान टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया काफी बच्चे पढ़ते हैं. बहुत फेमस न्यूज़पेपर रहा है ये. Then we have Samvad Kaumudi, which is a Bengali weekly. In 1819, it started its publication. It was started by Ram Mohan Roy ji only. So basically, it was a newspaper that used to make aware people about regarding the social evils, the social issues. And this newspaper used to aware people about the abolition of Sati Pratha also. So you can say it's a pro-reformist publication. Pro means it supports the reforms to be taken to eradicate the social evils in India. Then we have Miratul Akbar. This newspaper was also asked as question in prelims. So this is important. Miratul Akbar. Okay. So it is also a news. It's not a newspaper. It's a journal which was published by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. But the fact is that this journal is published in Persian language. It started in 1822. Okay. तो ये फ्राइडे को पब्लिश होता है न्यूज़पेपर, होता था राम मोहन रॉय के द्वारा. Then we have Hindu Patriot. Hindu Patriot is started, its publication in 1853. It's an English weekly newspaper by Madhusudan Roy, and its editor is Girish Chandra Ghosh. Girish Chandra Ghosh, you remember him, his association with the Hindu newspaper also, right? Then we have Rast Goftar. It started its publication in 1854. Now it's a new Gujarati newspaper, and the meaning of this term Rast Goftar is truth teller, सच्चाई बोलने वाला. ठीक है. So it was started by Dadabhai Nauroji and Khurshedji Kama. You have to remember these were the two founders of this newspaper. Then we have Som Prakesh. Som Prakesh newspaper was basically, you can say, it used to talk about the Indigo movement. It used to talk about how Indigo movement is creating awareness again, regarding eradication of the growth of indigo, right? And it is also, indigo was also rendering the lands of the agriculturists and the farmers as barren. So it contributed to the indigo movement, and it started in 1859 by Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, and the editor of this newspaper was Dwarkanath Vidyabhushan. Okay. Then we have the Indian Mirror. It was published by Devendranath Tagore and Manmohan Ghosh in Calcutta in 1861. फिर हमारे पास शिशिर कुमार घोष और मोतीलाल घोष के द्वारा पब्लिश किया गया अमृता बाजार पत्रिका भी था. बट द फैक्ट अबाउट अमृता बाजार पत्रिका इज दैट इट इज नॉट जस्ट इन वन लैंग्वेज. इट इज पब्लिश्ड इन बंगाली ऑल्सो एंड इंग्लिश ऑल्सो, एंड स्टार्टेड इट्स पब्लिकेशन इन 1868, बट द ब्रिटिशर्स stopped its publication in 1991. Okay. फिर हमारे पास आता है केसरी. You all remember the केसरी, very famous केसरी newspaper which started its publication in 1881. So it's a Marathi newspaper. And केसरी किससे related है? Obviously its founder is बाल गंगाधर तिलक जी. Okay. And see, Bal Gangadhar Tilak ji was not just a reformer and nationalist, he was also a spiritual person. So he used to spread and make people understand his spiritual philosophies also regarding our own nation. Okay, then we have the Hindu newspaper, which is the journal of the Bible of all the UPSC aspirants. Hindu newspaper, it was started by the first managing director of this newspaper was V. Raghavacharya and G.C. Iyer, and Subramani Iyer was its first editor. Then first it started as a journal newspaper. It became tri-weekly in 1883, but in 1889 it became a evening daily newspaper. हर शाम को हर दिन ये newspaper दिया जाता था लोगों को. And in 1995 it became the first Indian newspaper to offer online edition. You all can subscribe to the Hindu newspaper online also on its website, right? How it when did it happen? In 1995 it happened. Okay, and this newspaper was also known as the Triplicane 6. Remember this. ये इसका एक और नाम है Triplicane 6. ये point याद रखिएगा. Okay. Then we have Tehzeeb ul Akhlaq, which was it is not a newspaper, it's a journal started by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Okay, Muslim movement जो था उसी के फाउंडर थे जिन्होंने इस जर्नल को स्टार्ट किया था. Then we have a very famous newspaper, that is Sudharak newspaper. Sudharak newspaper was started by Gopal Ganesh Agarkar. He also edited the Kesari newspaper of B.G. Tilak ji. Okay, and this newspaper is Sudharak means reformer, one who reforms. Okay, then we have Prabudha Bharata. Prabudha Bharata is a journal which is published by the Ramakrishna order. You all remember Ramakrishna Paramhans ji. Okay, so that order, that mutt, it publishes English monthly journal called Prabudha Bharata, which started in 1896. Okay, the major founders are P.I.S. Ami, B.R. Rajam Iyer, G.G. Narasimhacharya and B.V. Kameshwara Iyer. Then we have Udbodhana. Udbodhana is a magazine. It's not a newspaper. It's a magazine started by Swami Vivekananda ji in Bengali language in 1899. And we have Bande Matram newspaper, which was edited by Aurobindo Ghosh. It was published in 1906. It's an English newspaper. 1905 में sorry इसको 6 में publish किया गया था. Okay. And we have Indian Opinion newspaper by Mahatma Gandhi ji. जून 4 को ये न्यूज़पेपर जो है 1903 में इसको पब्लिश किया गया. इट इज अवेलेबल इन गुजराती ऑल्सो, हिंदी लैंग्वेज ऑल्सो, तमिल लैंग्वेज ऑल्सो, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज ऑल्सो. Okay, so these are the important newspapers and journals and magazines that you should remember for your preliminary examination. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको ये लेक्चर अच्छा लगा हो. हमने 12 मिनट 12.5 मिनट में अच्छे से पूरा टॉपिक कवर कर लिया है.